If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you first open Excel, a startup screen appears. This screen lets you create a new workbook. If you already have opened a workbook, you can view a similar screen by clicking the File tab within the ribbon. Then select the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. In either screen, a list of pre-made templates appears at the right side of the Backstage view. To create a new workbook in Excel, click one of the many template choices. To create a new blank workbook in Excel, click the Blank Workbook template choice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.